as I said in the previous video, how we can connect all this to as one single louver. To do so, it's quite simple. We go to join VWrap and then or VWrap join and connect. And when we try to connect this, if we flatten this, we'll see that we will have 20 VWraps, open VWraps, meaning we will have 20 floors that, and they are our VWraps. So these are basically our what, as you know, is the lower lengths. Of course, if we put 2 points like 0, 0, 0, 0, you have more, you have a bit further precision, and they are all going into y direction. And if you want to have them as they are, we can do that too. And the thing is, or the thing that we can do here is basically like we can add sort of a thickness to this, or as you remember, if we can create kind of a, I don't know how many curves we have, 140, we can have 140 kind of different kind of 140 different kind of louvers as well. So let's add sort of thickness to this. But before we do that, why don't we have a stream filter here, singular or singular or all. Why we are doing this? Because in the next video I'll be adding kind of an attractive point, and that attractive point might change this distance or individual louver distances, extrusion distances. So if I grab a value list, let's see what we can do here. Edit and singular is going to be 0, floor by floor is going to be 1. I can connect this here. If I pull out a VWrap here, just in case, we are going to flatten this all. So it's going to be either singular 140, or it can be floor by floor with 8 VWraps, right? So one thing we can do here in order to proceed with this, what we can do here is to add thickness, right? And also if we change this to horizontal, we are going to see that as well. And we can add the thickness by, extruding or offsetting these surfaces. However, now let's leave it to the very next video. I know this one's a bit shorter, but in the next video we'll be creating an attractor point or attractor point on the surface, and then we'll just change our depth of louvers and add thickness in that video. So let me group this, and that is pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.